Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to set greeting messages on WhatsApp Business. If you are using WhatsApp Business and now you want to set a greeting message, so let's see how can you do it. First you have to open your WhatsApp Business app, and here you have an option of tools. Just tap on it. In tools, just scroll down, and here you will get the option of greeting messages. Just tap on it, and this you just have to enable the setting. Just tap on it and then it will be enabled. Now here you have the option of edit. Just tap on it, and here you can easily set your own message. Then tap on OK, and after that tap on save. And now you have successfully set the greeting messages on your WhatsApp business account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.